Hello guys, welcome to Self-Taught Coder. In this video we are going to see about how to create a Java project, package, Java file in Eclipse. First of all, let us open our Eclipse workspace. First go to start, type Eclipse and open it. After opening Eclipse, we can see that a couple of files are open. Let me close them. Okay, to create a Java project, first we need to go to Files, click on Files, then click New. There we can see that there is an option named as Java project. So click on Java project. After clicking on Java project, it asks for a project name. Let me give it as Self-Taught Coder. Okay, Java project Self-Taught Coder has been created. Let us create a package named as STC. To create a package, click on Self-Taught Coder folder. After that, we can see a source folder. Right click on source folder and go to new. There will be an option named as package. Click on it and it asks for a package name. Let us give a package name as STC. To create a Java class file, right click on STC package. After right clicking on the package STC, go to new. There we can see a class option. Just click it and it will ask for a Java class name. Let us give a class name as stcoder. After giving a class name, click on OK. Then a class file will be created. Let us type a small Java code which prints welcome to Self-Taught Coder. After typing, to run a code, we can just see the upper menu where we can see the option run, which has a symbol of play button. After clicking run button, it asks to select a file which has to be run. I will select a stcoder file. After clicking on it, now we can see the output welcome to Self-Taught Coder. I hope that now you know how to create a Java project, package and Java class file. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video. For more updates, please subscribe my channel.